kilograms of cocoa mass, 22 kilograms of cocoa, 9.5 kilograms of skim milk powder, 350 grams of soy lecithin. Each ingredient is selected for quality to ensure the finest flavor and texture. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cocoa pods by hand, ensuring selection of premium quality beans. After harvesting, the beans undergo fermentation and drying. The simple process is that develop the rich flavors characteristic of fine chocolate. Once the beans arrive at the factory, we meticulously roast them to enhance their unique flavor profiles. Post-roasting, the beans are cracked and when to separate the nibs from shells. Isolating the pure part of cocoa, these nibs are then ground into a fine paste known as cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. The foundation of our chocolate creations. Through pressing, we separate the cocoa mass into two distinct ones, cocoa butter and cocoa pepper. This process allows us to utilize each element effectively on chocolate. To craft a 100 kilogram batch of milk chocolate, we precisely blend 48 kilograms of soy lecithin. Each ingredient is selected for quality to ensure the finest flavor and protection. This mixture is refined in our state-of-the-art ball mill, achieving a smooth and homogeneous chocolate mass. After refining, chocolate is transferred to dedicated mold casting, maintaining the purity of each variety, milk, dark, and white. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds, forming the desired shapes and sizes for our diverse product range. As per our unique recipes, we incorporate premium nuts, enhancing both texture and flavor. The molded chocolates are cooled to solidify, locking in their rich taste and smooth texture. Finally, each chocolate is carefully packaged, ready to delight our customers with Benchmark's signature quality. Over time, as the demand for our chocolates grew, we listened to our customers and decided to take a big step forward. To meet the increasing requests, we have expanded our production by upgrading to larger machines and creating more space. This expansion allows us to maintain the quality and love while ensuring the cater to the growing demand for our chocolates. Thank you for your continued support and for being a part of our Benchmark journey. From the cocoa farms to the final product, Benchmark Chocolate Factory ensures excellence in every bite. Welcome to Benchmark Chocolate Factory, where our journey begins in the love. The beans are cracked and winnowed to separate the
Milk dark white.
Isolating the purest part of the cocoa, these nibs are then ground into a fine paste known as cocoa mass. The foundation of our chocolate creation. Through pressing, we separate the cocoa mass. Cocoa butter and cocoa pepper. This process allows us to utilize each element effectively.
after loading this is a CDC, rolling, crushing, tearing, curling. The last big machine to our fermentation, making granule powder. Downside drying, grading, quality checking and packing. Okay, this is a CDC process.
Next,
Next we got this thing.
Fine, but not by the jar. I don't know.
250 grams, 210, sir. 10 type of books.
How much?
210 price. Anything with the separate 100 gram price. Separate, sir. Anything, sir?
To take.
यहाँ से जाना तो नीचे है, यहाँ से जाना नीचे।
నీటగా పడేలా
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು